Good evening. It's November 26th. It's almost 4 weeks, I think, before Christmas. So we are heading in a fast pace to the end of the year. Today I'm going to look to some different options in the PNP Office Add-ins area. And let's see where we end today. But let's first start the show. Welcome back. It's been 2 weeks ago because last week, let's move to the code window already. Last week I was preparing the global Microsoft 365 developer bootcamp. We had this bootcamp last Friday. If you go to Europe, in the Netherlands, register. You can't register anymore because it's a past event right now. But we had our Microsoft 365 developer bootcamp last week together with some other guys. And what we did was hosting this Teams, some sort of hackathon kind of thing. And that was good fun, but that was last week. So let's continue to whatever we do this week. Let's close this down. What I wanted to look into today is actually something that came from, let me copy this. Let's see if I can put that something in here. Community Spotlight. What I wanted to address today is how to participate with the PNP developer office development stuff. And the starting point is developermicrosoft.com/office. So let's go there. Developer Microsoft.com/office. And this is where we just saw the bootcamp. But this is also the entry point for building your first application. And let's see what's the starting point. Build solutions, blah, blah, blah. Few more. What's new? Office development. Learn together developer apps for Microsoft Teams. I think there's something in the documentation. Office add-ins. Oh, that was already getting started. Microsoft 365 development, but this is more in general, and this is the Office add-ins part. So go to the Office add-ins documentation, and let's go to the Office add-in platform overview. Let's see how it's defined by today. We've been looking at this several times in previous streams, but let's see if there's some update in here. Probably still the same on the base of the Office add-in. That's explaining that you have this manifest file pointing to your web page, and that will be hosted inside your Office client. This can be done for several applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, if I'm correct. Let's see, OneNote. What can we do with OneNote? Also build some OneNote add-ins. Outlook is very much extended past year. And there is Word, obviously. And Project, and PowerPoint. Even some Visio stuff. Let's have a look at the repos on GitHub. There was a reference to that in here as well. OfficeJS docs PR, so the documentation, I think. Let's open this in a duplicate window. Let's see if we can find these things. OfficeJS docs PR. OfficeJS docs PR. Yeah. This has some issues, 21 issues and 6 pull requests. Let's see what's in the README here. Office Add-in documentation. Welcome to the Office Add-in documentation repo. In this repository, you can find the documentation sources for files for Office JavaScript concepts, quick start tutorials, and how-to guides for the best experience. We recommend you to view this content on docs.microsoft.com. And that's pointing to Office Dev Add-ins. Basically, where we just have been looking to the base of the information. So this is basically the source where it's maintained, I think. Copyright 2016, that's old stuff, if you ask me. But they probably don't update this disclaimer stuff. Let's have a look at the issues, if that's recent. 3 days ago, Office Runtime Auth get access token not working on production. Okay, should add info that is not yet production ready. Tutorial isn't working as expected. Clarity improvement. Screenshots and description do not match actual workflow. Description for options requires address seems outdated. Add-in error. The add-in is no longer available. Okay. Running Office Node.js single sign-on from host environment. Lot of issues. Let's see what's the pull request in here. Excel trouble. This is 19 hours ago. Okay. Excel troubleshooting. Add binding events. ID discrepancy article sections and code sample. Outlook on Node. Outlook web application pop-up behavior. Do not merge. 22 hours ago. Add get range and get range not available. Context.host not available in 1.1. Interesting. Well, this is the Office Docs PR thingy. I don't want the request thing, yeah. This is the root. This is the other one, PnP Office Add-ins that we've been working more than once. And I'm actually working right now on this one to make it .NET 5 ready. I upgraded to .NET Core 3.1 and it's now, I'm now preparing it for 5. So let's have a look. Yeah, the third one, OfficeJS itself. Clone this one, duplicate, make this OfficeJS. 405 issues. That's a lot. That's really a lot. For any version, including release, but also the beta. This repo. TypeScript version 2.4. What TypeScript version are we in right now? npm list global depth equals to 0. I'm currently on 4.1.2, so that's quite a different version compared to, what was it? 2.4, wow, okay. Interesting, 500%. So let's have a look at some of the issues in here. npm tag. Using a private or beta version of ScriptLab. Now, ScriptLab, that's the other thing that is interesting to look at. Let's see if it's on its own repo. Script lab. So where's ScriptLab on GitHub? There it is. There it is. Let's see if I still have that active in my Excel environment. ScriptLab, there it is. Still runs. A lot of samples by now. There's also my snippets. Should be able to import for a gist. I think I have some of these items on my gists. Google, no. Go to GitHub. There's also something like, I think it's called gists at github.com. Gists. No. Maybe single. Yeah, there it is. Test word settings. Play with events. Test promise. Custom XML parts. Profiles. Create and list content controls. I'm in Excel, so let's see if I have some Excel stuff maybe. Doesn't look like it. Word, all Word. Well, let's open Word then. Blank document. Do we have a script lab in here? This. Let's check my account here. Not sure why it's angry on my account. Fix me. And it's fixed. This is my Office developer account. It's basically using the Office developer Office 365, Microsoft 365 Office developer suite, I think it's called. Let's have a look. Microsoft Office 3, Microsoft 365 Office developer license. Join the Microsoft 365 developer program. So if you join this, you get a free subscription for Microsoft 365 E5 developer subscription. That's basically a full Microsoft 365 environment, but you can add some sample packs to this. And if you have a look at this and I go, for instance, to Outlook, and my profile will be LiveCoder. Now, if I send some new mail, I should be able to see some demo people. And if you are looking at some keynotes or whatever, you always see Megan Bowen or some other names in the demos. And these are in these demo packs mentioned here. So that's very interesting. And you get this renewed as long as you are actively developing things for Microsoft Office. So if you join in at one of these repos, then your award is that you can get this free subscription. This is part of the project that we built in the Microsoft 365 bootcamp last week. So you know there's also some interaction in here in Outlook. Let's go back in here. This is Word. Open a new document. I actually want to insert Scriptlab in here. Let's see where they put it. Get add-ins, my add-ins. I thought I was already signed in. I am signed in. I accept all cookies, obviously. Script. Lab. There it is. Add this to my Word environment. There it is. Got it. So interesting part is that you can switch from the environment, I think. Let's have a look. Run. Last updated 2 seconds ago. Open the editor, select the snippet. What's the functions thing? Open the code editor, copy the following script and paste it into the editor. Copy. After pasting, clicking the refresh button below. So go to the code window. Now the question is, do we just add it in here? And now go to functions. There's the thing, it's recognized actually. Nice. So what was the code for this? It's adding 10 to something, so you add a number. That's not working. So I'm not sure how this is done. Because it is registered apparently. Is this how you use it? Is Scriptlab. Okay. 20. Busy. Trust is adding. Sure. Not available. I'm not sure how this is done. Doesn't seem to work. Pressing run when viewing custom functions lead to no snippet to run. Press run in the ribbon again. Is this an issue? No, it's closed. It's just slow. I don't think it's working. Let's try it again. Something happened, but I don't think it was working. Oh, there it is again. Reverse error is not defined. That's on this one. No. Not sure why this is not working. Maybe you should leave everything out except this. Let's go in here and close all of this, because that's how it's done over here. Start Excel desktop with a blank slate. Delete any existing snippets. Create a new blank snippet. Open the runner to see it. Close the runner. Paste the basic function in there, custom function. Press run. Expect it should switch to the dashboard. Actually flashes an unknown error. If you close and reopen the task menu, you get back to the same weird state. Milestone 2. Let's see Del. Run. That's showing something registered. Equals to script lab. It is registered. it's working. So why didn't it work on 20? It is working. Really? Okay. Metadata, that's right. Okay. Nice. It's 20. Let's make this 20. Run. Why are the two in here? Close everything. Oops. Oops. That just crashed my Excel version. Let's restart. Scriptlab's still available there. Functions. This is the only one. Close this. Code. Now I have two in here. Maybe you're only allowed to have one, but I doubt it. Let's close this. Run. It's only showing the first one. So apparently you're not allowed to have two. Or I should have something like this. jQuery 311. Interesting. Run. Now it's showing two, so it's probably something related with this thingy. Let's run it again. Yeah, now we have an add 20 equals to scriptlab. Nope. And it's working. Copy this. Copy second one. Oh. Make this 10. What? Oh. Apparently I did not copy it in the second one. 20. What? Not sure why this is not happening when it's in here. At 20. Add 10. Some quirk over there. But anyway, it's nice. Let's try another one. Let's copy this. Copy. Add name. What you put in is a string. My name is plus X, something like this. Is that allowed? Use concatenation. Oh, what the heck, it's a demo system, so I accept all cookies. Oh, it's returning a string. Return string concat. String. My name is X. Oh, it's concatenating it. Second to the first. So it's so do this the other way around. X concat is my name. That should be working. Oh, don't save it. Returning string. That should be okay. Something like this. Custom function tag. Run. Now it's recognized. Is equals to script lab add name Arten. Yes. Ta-da. Trololololo. Enough. Oops. That's my mic. Being my mic. Nice. Custom functions in ScriptLab. Google. Custom functions in ScriptLab. lab. Create custom functions in Excel. Is this using ScriptLab? Yeah, it's like custom function. Script file. Easy way to find out custom functions to use ScriptLab. Yeah, that's just pointing to the thingy. This is just the ScriptLab as we've been looking at. Oh, this is the share button. Like code, I think. Share. New public gist. Has been published. So what's my name then here? Blank snippet. Okay. Can we just throw this out again? I want to delete it. Delete, there it is. Yeah, so apparently it's called blank snippet right now. Custom functions. Create some custom ScriptLab for demo purposes. Custom functions, yeah. Now let's do this again. Share, new public gist. Create a new one. Nice. Custom functions, Excel. Crazy stuff. Didn't know that existed in ScriptLab. So that's for ScriptLab. Another item that you can provide your feedback on. Let's close this, don't save. Close that. We can close the concat. So this is nice. Is this start by me? Yes. Let's see about the other repos. Where are the other repos? PnP add-ins. Is that not start by me? Let's refresh this because this started, not started, but start it. Which one is this? OfficeJS. I already started that. This one I'm actively watching. So why am I not watching this one? Let's see if we all activity. I'm not sure how active this one is. I can always turn it back. Script lab. Let's start and let's watch it. 112 issues. Come on, Mike. What's this? Is that some sort of a COVID issue? Footer is not visible when more than one sidebar is opened. Okay. Script lab is broken. Won't start. Project link on GitHub quick fix. GitHub link is broken. It still works. App source. Okay. Script lab for Outlook. Production. Let's have a look at that quickly. Script lab. Code, maybe. No. Run, maybe. No snippet loaded, so you need to load a snippet. I do have a word gist. Like something like this. Word settings. Play with events. Test promise. Custom XML part. Testing async. Clear content controls. Insert tag content controls. Let's see if that's still working. Import. Interesting. This looks like it's not working anymore. Oh, it is. Took some time to load apparently. Let's have a look at the... Oh, there's the settings thingy. Now it's set for production. We can change this to alpha. Okay. Okay, so a little different interface. Let's have a run here. No snippet run. Oh, maybe it's clearing my thingy again. Import. Of course, I trust a snippet because I created a snippet. Run. So why is it not? Do I need to save it first? This is my gist. One content control inserted. So you should have seen content control in here. There you are. No title. Yeah, still working. And I have a different one. Maybe I should update these ones because these are all based on version 1.1. Not still sure if that's still version 1.1 in here. But it's still working, so that's fine. Quite surprised because haven't been looking at this a very long time. I think there's also a different one. Code. Go back to code. And there's a clean gist somewhere in here. This one. Copy. Import. Yes, trust it. That's also new that you had to trust it. Still on alpha. Run. Run in this pane. Clear content control. There it's cleared. This. Oh. No, don't do this. Never do this in design mode. This is a new text. I wonder if random works inside the content control. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Clear content control. And it's cleared. Nice. Still works. Okay, we are now 1 hour in and we just have been looking at some repos and the script lab that's still around. This one was watched and start. Watched and start. Oh. And this one is OfficeJS docs PR. What does it stand for? Yeah, this is the documentation repo. Also encourage you to fork, make the fix and do a pull request. Details. See, contribute this documentation. 21 issues. I probably need to build an rule for this on my Outlook email. 3 days ago, Office runtime auth get access token not working on production. Working on Outlook add-on using single sign-on. Generated add-on with Yeoman locally. Everything works good, but when once deployed to production and served build files from dist, single sign-on is not working anymore. I think the problem is that you're running into production is that single sign-on service is started by Office Add-in single sign-on is unavailable to get the application secret, which is stored locally for Windows in Windows Credential Manager. That's something to say about it, yeah. The issue is also related to 2279, since the code currently refers to the package, you can't update it to handle the Azure scenario. Why not? However, you can get the same code from Office Add-in node single sign-on sample. Find the same code, blah blah blah. So it might take more sense to start with this code sample. This one is fairly new. Update code file to use placeholder. Okay. There's no issues on this one. Sample is working for Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and Microsoft 365 tag, apparently. Why is this such a... Oh, I can scroll. Okay, so these are the 4 repos that you can have a look at, like this. 3 repos, but I added the script lab repo. And it would be nice if someone put some effort in that as well. So let's close this and don't save it. So these issues are... Let's see. Request for feedback and open example. That's a request for a demo. Issue with a login. That needs triage. Someone needs to look at this. Login pop-up is not closing. I'm not really into Outlook, so I'll skip on this one. This is a demo request, sample request. Missing ADL file in message read HTML. I found Outlook add-in sample is missing some JS file, adl.js ADAL. Link in message reads under head section, please check it. Okay, the Outlook add-in sample. Also Outlook, and this is also Outlook. So either I need to have a look at Outlook sometime, maybe next time, and have a look at these items. But for now, I think I'll pass on that. Remove the remote web reference. That's the pull request I added. Self requested the review 20 days ago, 21 days ago. Pending reviewer. Fine by me. New web worker sample. What's this? From when is this? October 12, web worker sample. Localhost version was not working for me. Yeah. So that one is related to the first one. Template for shared runtime projects. This is a very old one, I think. March 31. I think that's not working anymore. Okay, so let's continue with my .NET 5 version. See if we can get that running now. Okay. CD samples. CD Office ASP. Let's go to TypeScript. Excel TypeScript code. npm well, let's have a look at this. This is .NET 5 version. Data repos. next one, TypeScript. This is the project that we are running, I think, with the source for the manifest somewhere. Where's the manifest? There. Is that the JSON? Required assets to build and debug are missing. Add them, yes. Not sure what it's adding now. It's the XML file. That's in XLT, it's in the root. npm install. That's okay. That's not okay. Oh. I run into this every week, or every other week, I should say. Because this one, it should be the client app. CD. Oh. Come on, guys. CD client app. There we go. npm start. Let's install first. Just to check if it's working. npm start. There's Node. No, it's not Node. Node should be in there. There you go. There it is. So let's cancel this. Now we have to do something completely different. Repos, new folder 2020 11/26. That's for today. VSTO. Create a new project. We're on the latest version of VSTO preview. Let's find Office, C#, Excel, web add-in. That's interesting. That is also showing Blazor in here. As far as I know, there's no Blazor template for Office right now. Next. Push it in this folder. This is irrelevant because we are basically targeting .NET 5. New functionalities or new content. You can create add-ins, embeddable objects. Now we are going for the first one. Meantime, we can also have a look at the JavaScript files. We should exclude the dist in GitHub, Git. Unresolved dependencies. No, let's leave it for now. Tick. npm install. Oh. Do it again. Client app. Oh, client app. npm install. In the meantime, let's have a look at this one. Now it's generated. Add a new project. Existing project, I should say. Repos. No. See data. Repos. PNP. Samples. Where's React? Here's React. We're in TypeScript this time. Client app. It's this one. Open. There we are. Now we go into the manifest over here. Copy the ID. Notepad. Let's put it aside. So this is project. Code. Go in the other manifest. Override first, put this aside. And override it with the other one. Save. Ctrl A, Ctrl C. overwrite everything. Now we need to select this one, take this and switch it to React. Why does it say updating manifest in here? Maybe I should do it the other way around. Let's have a check. This is the React thing, but let's have a look at the ID again. Yeah, that's the one that should be in here. Rebuild. That was rebuilding, so now let's hit F5. See what's going on. That's starting the website. There's the task pane. And this is the thing going on. And now we should also see something happening here. Oh, what's this? There's some interesting information in here. I'm not sure why this is all scrambled. Let's see, it's in here. The website is up and running. So now also check this in Excel. Got it. That's working. Run, and it's red. Okay, so this is all running. I actually want to add something like .NET 5 in here dynamically, but this is hard-coded. So I'm not sure how to do that yet. This is working, so now let's go to the TypeScript, now the JavaScript version. Let's revert this one back. Because that's not relevant anymore. Okay, let's close this, save this, maybe. And have a look at the TypeScript version. Found one high severity. Let's first have a look at the git ignore. I think that should add dist somewhere in there. Root dist. Did I close all the browsers? That's not nice. GitHub, PnP add-ins. Let's search for dist in here. That's in the project file, but I think it should also be in the git ignore. Excel keyboard shortcut. Fetching. Yeah, build output. Is there actually build output in here? This is TypeScript. Hit ignore. That's not enough. Let's have a look at this. Oh, this is the other project. This should not be in this branch. That's okay. Open, close. This is all open, close, open, close, open, close. This is the project file. That's updated to version 5. Yeah. So I should restore this one. Probably didn't do that previous time. That's one down. Packages. Launch thingy.
This beat is my recital. I think it's very vital to use the force for good, of course. Our Skywalker, that's my time. Here we go. If I were a Jedi, I could out-rap Buster Rhymes. Going in like Qui-Gon Jinn for the win, like the flow in quadruple time.
All package thingies. Package updates. tsconfig. I had to do this to make it work again. One space.
Wait, wrong movie, innit? Pod racing up the 101, surpassing Golden Gate traffic. R2 on the roof of my Prius, dude. I could FaceTime holographic. I'd play for the A's and we'd win every game. Resurrect Mac Dre, do it all for the Bay. They'd all say, hey, Lars is neato, and always let me cut the line at El Farolito. 2 years ago, a friend of mine asked me to say some Jedi rhyme. So I said this rhyme I'm about to say. I fought the Sith, then it went this
That's
way.
okay. This is just formatting. Save this. Yeah, now it's changing it back. It's done by the prettier. Okay, apptsx. That's also prettier. This one is the hard-coded .NET 5 thing, but I want to actually put something in dynamically, if possible. Well, let's keep this for now because the old version is also hard-coded with version 3 in here. So let's have a look at the TypeScript version. This is also formatting. A lot of formatting again. Let's have a look at this. Samples. Now 25 selected maybe? Is there an indicator to see if there are 25 in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. And to exclude this one, this one, this one, this one. Oh, that's a JavaScript version. Well, let's do the JavaScript version first. This TypeScript. The other one, this one, JavaScript. Let's copy the same thing in there. Oops. So let's have a look at the packages in here. Versions. Same in here. Packages. This is a TypeScript version, yes. Now let's see, Bootstrap 453. 453, that's working. Core.js 370. Oh, that's already 8. Well, let's start with 370 first. Four to 8, that's already 351. 150. React 614. React Bootstrap 140. Sixteen, 14, 0. Yeah. 25. Latest React scripts 344. React straps 871. Rimref 302. Yeah. Core 254. ES6 collections. Officer runtime 17. Types React. Let's see, types React DOM 699. That's interesting. It's already a newer version. Oh. React Hot Loader 411. AJV 612.6. 612.6. React Hot Loader. We already had Hot Loader, I thought. This one. 10.1.0. Which one was that? Babel ESLint. It's not in here. It is 10.1.0. Crossenv 702. ESLint 680. Config React app 6.0 something. Uh, 5.2.0. It's already the latest. 22.1. 6.4.1. 7.21.5. 4.05 for TypeScript. Oh, there's no TypeScript, obviously, in this JavaScript version. TypeScript, this one is the newer one. React Hot Loader 4.13.0. That's this one. Okay. So I think should be able to upgrade these minor changes as well, some of the minor changes, but let's first have a look if it's working at all. Npm install. Then there is this one. Let's compare the changes for project. Project. This is the TypeScript version, yes. So this should be net 5.0. Yeah, it's still compiling, so for installing. But let's wait a little bit for this. In the meantime, let's check what my soccer team is doing. They probably already finished. Soccer team. Oh, final 0-0. That's quite good for this team. So we're now positioned somewhere third in the group. Okay. And we have 0 vulnerabilities. That's a good thing. Let's copy this over to the other one. Let's see if there are more changes. Apparently not. Yet. There's no TypeScript thingy. This was just formatting. So for this one, the app. Is there an app in here? Components. This one. That should say copy. Looks a lot shorter, but that's due to the naming convention, calling it .NET 5 again. Header. Not much difference in here, I think. It's only prettied. Prettied. Hero list. It's also just some formatting. Okay. Now let's JavaScript. Terminal. npm install again. Zero vulnerabilities. What's it complaining about? ESConfig React requires 6. Is that also in here? Same thing. ESLint config React app. Let's find out if that's a reference, because it's repeated every time, I think. Try these. This is for appeasing these warnings. TypeScript ESLint. I already have ESLint, I think. Let's have a look at the packages. This is TypeScript. Go to the other one. Packages. ESLint. So no ESLint in here? Yeah, there is. It's complaining about requires a pair of TypeScript. Why? Is that based on TypeScript? ESLint plugin. Is the parser in here? No. So it's on the JavaScript file. That will bring in the developer dependency, I think. Parser. Then do the plugin. Not really sure why it's adding some things with TypeScript in there. 16.14.0. React DOM 16.14.0. Where are you? 16.14.0 requires React 16.14.0. Let's see if it's working. npm install. A little bit cleaner. ESLint config react app 6. Config react app. React app 6 requires ESLint 750. 750. Seven point 5.0. Let's try again. Here, config react 6 requires a pair of ESLint plugin React hook. Hooks dot semicolon 42. Let's start with the minimum 4.0.8. Comma. All these packages are crazy. I'm not sure if there's a better way to do this. Other than updating a trial and error. Let's have a look. ESLint loader. Hot loader. ESLint 5. I'm sitting here on 7. Config React app 5 requires is plugin React 1.x. That's an old one. So who is triggering this one? That's the question. Let's see if we create a 2 from this. What's more outdated? 7.5. Let's just try it. Source code hosting. Thank you. Thank you. Rating. It's even a rate. The party of 3. How are you doing? Are you still in the 3D stuff? Hack the planet, yes. That's what we do all the time, but not in a positive way, I think. React. Let's see if we can bump this one up. It's already satisfying. Save. Doing great. Yeah, for you it's also midnight. I actually should stop and go to bed as well, but I can't stop. Because this one is a mess. I'm still working on my Office add-ins, my updating the PNP, supporting the Office team with the PNPs. If you go to the GitHub, there is the PNP Office add-ins, and I'm currently working on the samples for .NET Core React add-ins, and I'm writing them over to actually support .NET 5. So let's have a quick look if this is running. npm start. Oops, that's breaking. Requires dependency ESLint 660, almost 666. Where is ESLint? So breaking the code again. Where is ESLint? Come on. A lot of ESLint. Oh, I just skipped it. There's. And which one is in the TypeScript version? The TypeScript version. Package 680. Apparently it's not supporting the latest version for ESLint. Let's see. Save. Now it's going to complain about a lot of other things. Pretty sure. Not sure why the Office add-in requires the 6.6 version. Probably related to the version of React added to the system. Let's do it again. Oh. npm start. Come on, you can do it. We're getting somewhere. Bring me the add-in. There's always something that needs to be finished first. Yeah, there's always something that needs to be finished. Period. I think. Why is it not booting up my Excel version for the JavaScript one? That's kind of strange. Oh, because this is the individual project. So I need to do something to make this work. Create a new project. Excel web add-in next. Let's make it this JS. That's today. Well, it was actually yesterday. Create. Finish Excel functions, adding functionality to Excel. So you're basically inserting the task pane. If it likes to do it today. In the meantime, let's shut down the running version for the web that we just started. Where is it? This one. Close this and close that. There we are. Add a project. Add an existing project. So now we are adding the existing project with React. Repos. Bring in the PNP Office Add-ins, samples, React add-ins, JavaScript. This is the project. So it was actually working. Now let's do this again. Copy the ID from the existing manifest. Project. Just for reference, and bring that in to the newly added add-in. There. Oh, I should put this aside first. Copy and save that first. Now bring in the other one. Copy, paste, save, copy everything, copy, going into the other one, Ctrl A, delete, paste, save, and now switch over the project, this one, to the JavaScript version. Oh, yeah. Yes, I want to. And let's rebuild this in here. That's okay. So now let's hit F5 and see what's going on. That kicks in Excel. In the background, VSTO is now compiling, I think, but it's not. Oh, loading it in, still loading. There it is. Let's have a look at this one. Still compiling. Once this is done, we can start it. it is. Come on. You can do it. Or is it already finished, maybe? Oh, compiled successfully. So let's try this. Opening the task pane. Yes, welcome to JavaScript. And this one is actually hosting the .NET 5 environment. So from here you should be able to interact with Office, creating this nice yellow area for demonstration purposes. And this is actually running on .NET 5, so this is nice. And it's working. Oh, that's not what we want to see. Retry. Oh, wow. Let's try do that again. Run F5 again. There's the page. Where's VSTO? There. Project's running. Now wait for this one. You can do it. Yeah, there's something happening here. There you are. Wow, why is this telling 3.1? This is the web version. We need to change it in 2 locations. One for the task pane and one for the web version. So let's go to Excel and run this again. So this one should say 5. That's 5. Select something and make it yellow. So now the question is, if I do this and reopen it again, it's also closing down. It's also closing down the web page. It looks like it. Okay. This will give an error, I think. Yeah, it looks like it's tearing down the website if you close the task pane, but usually when it's running in production, that's not the case. So this should actually be okay. But now I have to find the second instance for the 3 reference. TypeScript .NET 5. Yeah, that's in 2 locations, progress and app. Because the progress is shown at the web page, because when you're not in the Office context, it will just keep showing the spinning thing. Five. This will probably say 1. Yes. 3. 3.1. Let's have a look on file base progress. Something in here, most likely. See, there it is. And I want to change this over to a dynamic reading of the runtime. But for now it's hard-coded. And just referencing that it's actually in the project targeting .NET Framework 5. So let's do this again. Save. And go to, oh, I closed VSTO. I hope I saved it, I think so. That's this one. I should think. Yeah. Hit F5. Let's see if we can get a new page in here. There it is. There's Excel. Waiting to load the server in the background. So there should be a server over there that will actually be hosting the thingy on the far side. This one. But it's a little bit slow in development. Debug. There it is. Now you also have on the website .NET 5, but it's actually just text, so not that interesting to show. Go into the task pane. And I'm quite interested to see if we put them side by side. There's the task pane from the app. And there's the server. So what's going on? If I press the little X over there, is it tearing down the server over there? Let's first see if it's functional. It is. So show the task pane and see, actually it's shutting down my server if you also shut down the task pane. And that's causing it not to reload for the second time. But it's not a real world scenario. Good. Close this. So now I need to restore the manifest ID, the code. Let's check, this is the JavaScript version. That's now having the project file, but it should be the code one. Save. That should be okay because we copied this into the other manifest file. So this can be quite confusing if you're not that into the Office development stuff. Basically, what an Office add-in is doing is it's looking at the manifest file, and it has all these references pointing to some website location, and it's loading that in the task pane. So it's a very complicated way to load a website within the Word and within the Office context, but it's all done for security reasons. It should be. This should be 100% secure, as opposed to the way how it's done with VBA. So this is nice. Let's have a look at the changes in here. So I want to include everything except the open-close stuff. Let's have a look at this. Exclude open close, open close, open close, open close, open close. because that's a different project. I should have branched it in a different way, but I didn't. So these are all things in the ASP.NET Core React project for the TypeScript and for the JavaScript file. This one is the JavaScript change. Let's see if we can stage the changes. So all of these are changed, staged, I should say. Let's make this a little bit bigger. These are the project files. There's another project file. Let's see what the differences between these. .NET 5 targeting. Okay, let's go to here. Git status. Let's say it should not exclude it. What's this one? That should not be in there, I think. Let's have a look at that one. That's that should go. Unstaged changes. And there's another one, I think. This one. Client app, that's the right one. This one. That should not be in there. That's also this strange thingy. Unstage. And there's another one. This one. And this one. Well, I just fixed this one, I think. Where's the third one? That's the right one. This one, maybe? Yeah, this one is not right. Why is it bringing this into the root of this folder? Unstage. Let's have a look at it again. Yeah, I think these three should be deleted. Let me check. This one. That's to delete it. And do the same for TypeScript version. This one. this one in the root. Samples. Oh. Oh, wait, here. Code dot. That's this one. Not sure why this was put in there. So it went from empty to something. Delete. Close. Git status. Bring in the launch and tasks. VS Code. I think that was excluded. Apparently this is generated, I think, for .NET 5, maybe. I don't know. Not sure about it. Git commit moved from, what was it? 3.1 maybe? 3.1. To .NET 5 and updated a lot of packages. Git status. Yeah. Git push. Fatal. Okay. Upstream branch does not match the name of the current branch. Let me think. Okay. Use git push to publish the local commits. But that's not allowed. Upstream branch of your current branch does not match the name of the current branch. push origin master. No. Come on, guys. We need to kick in tower here. Yep, my monitor is shutting down. Push.NET 5 to master. OJ. Something happened. One commit ahead. 0 commits on behind on branch master. Let's have a look at this. Oh, my other monitor is down. Your branch ahead of master by 1 commit. Use git push to publish your local commits. Branch ahead of origin master. Nothing to add to commit, but untracked files present. That's this. The only change should be in the open save thing. Let's push this, publish. Let's have a look at GitHub itself. My own repo. Why is it not signed in? Why was I signed out here? Yeah. Okay. GitHub. Bring in the secrets. And final thing. Git hug. No, not hug. Hub. And bring in the code. Base repo, master, compare.net 5. Bug fix? No. New feature? No. A new sample? No. Related? No. None. What's in this pull request? Updating ASP React sample to .NET 5 from .NET Core 3.1. No additional guidance required. Just follow the existing instructions. Can I have a look at this? Coding, contributing guidelines. Like to contribute blah blah blah, code of conduct, blah blah, question problem, no. Typos, issues, bugs, contributions, changes. Always fork repository to your own account, that's what I did. Not combine multiple changes to one pull request. submitting multiple samples, blah, blah, blah. Sample naming, that's the same. Because it did not change. Request, sign, fork, that's what I did. Create a new branch. Now let's see. Cannot be merged until marked ready for review. Okay. Is it something different? Oh, where did it go? To commit this one. This is the right one. This looks all okay. So how do I bring this to be reviewed? Where did my pull request go? Let's have a look at my fork. Okay, let's find out where did it put my preview. I lost my preview somehow. Google. Pull request for review. Jesus. So I created a draft. Where are my draft pull requests in? Here. Draft pull requests cannot be merged and code owners are not automatically requested to review. Google, where is my draft? Where is my draft pull request? Where did they go? Where are my activities? Here. I really don't know where it pushed my draft pull request. Let's see if we can see something here. Oh, it's a different one.
Let the night set in, a blanket of darkness covering up your fears. It's getting harder to see.
What?
You are reaching out for me. Let me be the one who moves you through the crowds away from the
Really? Where are they? Come on, guys.
you'll be safe hiding away with me. We'll find a safe hiding place. Your light will guide us on.
21 minutes ago.
You can be my secret in the night. If you ever need a place to hide, I'll be a flashlight.
This is a change. And from this, I created a draft pull request into into the original. But that's not showing. No, this one.
You'll be gone in a second. We're young and we're reckless. I guess we'll never learn. Because 3 o'clock in the morning, we can stay out here till the sunrise. If the world thinks they can hold me back, I'ma let 'em in on a surprise. I've been thinking of all the places I've been and the places that I wanna be. If you ain't ready for all the involved, then I guess you ain't ready for me. I swear that we'll find a safe hiding place. Your light will guide us on the way.
I really don't know where did put my draft pull requests. Draft pull request. Take your work in progress. Learn more about draft pull requests. When you're ready to feedback, you can mark the draft. Your draft pull request is ready for review. Marking a pull request, blah blah blah. You can convert a pull request to a draft at any time. For more information, change the states of pull requests. Ready for review. Converting a pull request to a draft. Under the repository name, click pull requests. Under your repository name, click pull requests. In the pull request list, click the pull requests. So where did it go? Come on, guys. This is the other one. Here it's not showing. This one, pull requests. Here it's not showing. Let's see this master. .NET 5. What does it say? 186 commits. Beats me. Where are my draft pull requests? Come on, guys. Because it's not showing. Under your repo name, click pull requests, but it's not showing there. In the list of pull requests, click the pull request that you like to ask for a specific person or team to review. But it's not showing. Come on, guys. This one. There are pull requests in here. It's as if it's not even created for some reason. But it should show in here. Where did it go? Now, this is the most recent one. My repositories, go in there. What are my options here? This one. These are the changes. This commit does not belong to any branch on this repository. Yeah, that's true. Belongs to mine. What are you doing? I wish I knew what I was doing. I'm trying to commit my changes, but it's not showing anything. No clue where it's left. I think I have to find it in a different way. I have a lot of changes in here. Two commits behind. These are my changes, and I created a draft pull request, but my draft pull request is gone and it's not showing up anywhere. Not sure why. Should be seeing it in your own pull requests, but it's not. no review requests. Because it's a draft. So if anyone knows in the chat how to get my draft pull request back, I have no clue and I need some sleep, I think. To have a clear head. View all branches. This creates a new one, but I have an existing one. This is the commit for today. What if I do something like this? Pick my own. Is this the one? No. October 16. That's not for today. So really it's gone. I don't know where it went. No thanks. Draft. Draft pull request. I think I did something that's not functional. Okay, I have to delay this and take some time to discover how this actually is happening because I don't want to rush it into an issue. Because I found this one. I moved it into master, I think. Tracking. Well, I need some sleep first. Let me get back on this. Git status. Your bronze ahead of origin master by one commit. So it was all pushed in, and as you notice in here as well, these are all old ones. So let's move to master. See what's in there. Git status. That's okay too. Yeah, let's get some sleep first. Because this is a mess. Okay, let's wrap this up. Don't save this. Close all this. Open my fake mailbox. Let's get back to the main screen. So what did we do today? We were looking at some things for the PNP community work. Also updated the JavaScript project for React to .NET 5. I did create a draft pull request somewhere, but it's gone. And I need to find it and get it back on track. But I can't think clearly now, as it's 1:18 a.m. in the morning on a Friday. So let's wrap this up. I will be there next Thursday is the planning, at least. And hope to see you back then. If you're not already following, hit the follow button or the subscribe button for YouTube. And let's see you next week. Bye bye.